Dogs Work! A Highway Tale by James Horvath. Fill up your cups. Today is a big day. We've got miles and miles of new road to lay. Load up the trucks. It's time to get moving. There's a road out there that needs some improving. This road is old and in need of repair. We'll fix it up right from here to there. We'll need a bulldozer and a grader or two, a steamroller, a loader, and a paving truck too. Bulldoze a path and smooth it with graders. No more bumps from potholes and craters. The steamrollers roll heavy and slow. They flatten and level the dirt as they go. Dump trucks rumble as Duke makes the call. Head out to the quarry and haul, dogs, haul. The rock quarry is where we get all of our stone. The dump truck fills up in the rock loading zone. Huge quarry trucks are too big for the street. To move tons of rock, these trucks can't be beat. The dump trucks dump straight into the hopper. The paver spreads tar until it looks proper. Dump trucks deliver load after load. It will take lots of trips to build this long road. The road crew is busy dropping orange cones. They help keep us safe in construction zones. Stop, dogs, stop! You have to wait here. Go, dogs, go! The road is now clear. We can't go through here. Our trucks will get stuck. It's mile after mile of deep, sticky muck. With hills on both sides, Duke knows what to do. Get digging, dogs! We must tunnel through. The rock is too hard to dig our way through. Time to bring in the demolition crew. Set the charges and get out of there fast. Shout, fire in the hole, then blast, dogs, blast. Take cover now, stand clear, make some room. The tunnel blasts open with a great big kaboom. Clean up this rubble, let's haul it away. Work, dogs, work. There's more road to lay. Now here we are on the opposite side. We'll need a tall bridge, at least 4 lanes wide. The barge crane is here to lift up the sections. We'll finish the job if we follow directions. Strong steel towers, concrete and cable help to make our bridge very stable. The crew helps set up some shiny road signs. The last thing to do is to paint all the lines. The road runs for miles. Now the end is in reach. From the city, through hills, all the way to the beach. We're finally finished. It's been a long day. Now get out in those waves and play, dogs, play.